In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a task manager with subtasks and dependencies. Managing tasks efficiently is crucial for achieving your goals, and Notion can be a powerful tool in your productivity arsenal. So, let's dive in and set up your task manager in Notion step by step. First off, head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is the main hub where you can create and manage your projects, wikis, and documents seamlessly. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Just click on the Login button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll be brought to the welcoming land of the Notion homepage. From here, you'll have access to all your existing pages and can easily start creating new ones. Now, let's open one of your existing pages. If you don't have any pages yet, don't worry. You can quickly create one from the homepage. Once you're on a page, the next step is to start setting up a task management system. To do this, type "war table" and select the table option from the command menu. This will generate a table, which is a great way to visually organize your tasks. Once the table is set up, you'll need to switch it to a table view. Clicking on Table View will transform the layout, allowing for an organized grid-like view where you can manage your tasks more efficiently. The next thing we need to look at is some essential settings that will help you harness the full power of task management in Notion. Start by clicking on the settings icon within your table. It might feel a bit like diving into the deep end, but trust me, these settings are going to be useful. Once you've accessed the settings, look for the option that says More Settings. Clicking on this will expand additional options that are critical for task organization. One of the key features we'll use is sub-items. Sub-items allow you to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This is particularly helpful for complex projects where you need to track multiple elements that contribute to a larger goal. Click on the sub-items option to enable this feature. Now, your table can contain nested tasks, making it easier to monitor progress on each component of your project. Finally, let's talk about dependencies. Dependencies are crucial when certain tasks need to be completed before others can start. Enabling dependencies lets you establish relationships between tasks, ensuring a smooth workflow and better prioritization. Just click on the Dependencies option within your settings. By setting dependencies, you can see exactly how each piece is connected, helping you stay on top of your project timelines. There you have it. With these steps, you've turned Notion into a robust task management system complete with subtasks and dependencies. Dive in, explore, and adapt these tools to fit your own workflow best. Thank you for tuning in, and now it's time to start organizing your tasks like a pro.